Welcome back to AI Brief, your shortcut to staying ahead of the curve in AI. I'm Amin.
And I'm Leah.
We're back with episode 28. Ready for another deep dive, Leah?
Absolutely. The world of AI never slows down, does it?
Definitely not. This time we've got some pretty big developments, from open source AI models making waves to humanoid robots on iPhone assembly lines.
Plus, we'll be touching on the latest buzz surrounding OpenAI and some fascinating advancements in healthcare.
So let's get right into it. We've got a really interesting story coming out of China.
Oh, I saw this one.
DeepSeek, an AI lab, has released its DeepSeek R1 model, and it's getting a lot of attention.
Yeah, this open source reasoning model is being compared to and even outperforming OpenAI's ChatGPT in certain areas.
And get this, at a much lower cost.
The cost difference is pretty striking. DeepSeek's API is reportedly 95% cheaper than OpenAI's.
Which is a pretty big deal. What else makes R1 stand out?
Well, it's the reasoning approach that sets it apart. It's similar to what OpenAI uses, but it's more reliable.
Okay, so that's key, especially for tasks where accuracy is really important, like in science and math.
Exactly. And what's really interesting is DeepSeek's commitment to open source.
They're making their models and training methods public.
Yeah, which is quite different from companies like OpenAI, who are much more guarded with their technology.
I see. So what kind of impact could this have on the AI industry if open source models keep improving?
Well, it could definitely shake things up. The industry is currently dominated by a few major players, but this could change the game.
Now let's shift gears to the manufacturing world, where humanoid robots are starting to make their mark.
This is a really fascinating trend.
Foxconn, a major manufacturer for Apple, is partnering with UB Tech to introduce humanoid robots on iPhone assembly lines.
Yeah, and we're seeing other companies adopting similar approaches. Figures robots are already working in BMW factories, Avtronics robots at Mercedes, and now UBTech's Walker X1 is entering iPhone production.
It seems like these robots are designed for a whole range of tasks.
Right, from inspecting components to actually assembling devices.
So what do you think this means for the future of human workers in manufacturing?
It's a question a lot of people are asking. These robots are being used for tasks that are either too demanding or repetitive for humans, so it does signal a potential shift in the workforce.
I wonder how quickly that shift will happen. It's definitely something to keep an eye on. But AI isn't just changing factories, it's also making big strides in healthcare.
Absolutely. This is an area with a lot of potential.
The UK has made a significant investment in Isambard AI, a supercomputer specifically designed for medical research and drug development.
Isambard AI is incredibly powerful because it can simulate molecular interactions at a really detailed level.
So researchers can basically test millions of potential drug combinations virtually.
Yeah, which could dramatically speed up the process of discovering new vaccines and treatments.
Imagine a future where new drugs and vaccines can be developed much faster than today. That's the potential we're talking about.
There are other exciting developments too, like AlphaFold, which has solved the protein folding problem, and OpenAI's research into using AI for longevity.
Really promising stuff. Now, switching gears to the political landscape. The new president has made a big decision, scrapping the previous administration's AI executive order.
This is a big shift in AI regulation. The previous order had a lot of requirements for AI companies, including sharing safety test results and other data with the government.
It's interesting to see how the industry will respond to this change in direction.
Yeah, the regulatory landscape is always evolving, especially given how fast AI is advancing.
Now let's move on to a topic that's been generating a lot of buzz lately: OpenAI's upcoming agentic tool, codenamed Operator.
Agentic AI is a hot topic right now. It basically refers to AI systems that can act autonomously, carrying out complex tasks for a user.
And we've seen some impressive demos from OpenAI and other companies of what this technology can do. It sounds like OpenAI might be getting ready to release a product based on this.
Leaks suggest that Operator will have some really impressive capabilities like writing code, booking travel, and even interacting with other software applications.
If it lives up to the hype, it could completely change how we use technology and automate so many of our daily tasks.
I'm definitely curious to see what OpenAI has in store.
And speaking of things to keep an eye on, we'll be sharing a roundup of trending AI tools later. But first, let's jump into our rapid-fire news update. Starting with OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, who addressed those rumors about artificial general intelligence, or AGI.
He went on X, formerly Twitter, to clearly state that OpenAI hasn't achieved AGI.
And that they won't be releasing it anytime soon.
Right. He even said that the Twitter hype is out of control again. suggesting all the speculation about AGI is a bit overblown.
It seems like speculation about AGI is a recurring theme in the AI world.
It makes sense, given all the rapid progress we're seeing, but it's important to distinguish between real progress and hype.
Now let's move on to ByteDance, the company behind TikTok. They've unveiled their own AI coding tool called Trey.
It's a macOS-based tool designed to automate project building and provide development assistance, with support for both Chinese and English.
So the competition in the AI coding space is heating up.
We've also seen CodeAM release Windsurf Wave 2, an update to their AI-powered development platform.
And then there's Liquid AI's LFM7B, a new language model specifically designed for enhanced chat in languages like Arabic and Japanese.
It's great to see AI development expanding beyond English and becoming more inclusive.
Speaking of language model advancement, Moonshot AI, a lab in China, has introduced Kimi K1.5, a new multimodal AI model.
It reportedly excels at joint reasoning, processing both text and visual information.
It's incredible how quickly things are moving in AI.
And it's not just happening in research labs.
We're also seeing AI features integrated into the tech we use every day. For example, Apple's macOS Mail app is getting a boost from Apple Intelligence.
And for Windows users, Microsoft is testing an AI-powered search feature for Windows 11.
It's designed to work offline, thanks to integrated NPU chips. These integrations show how embedded AI is becoming in the tools we use daily.
And it's not just consumer tech either.
The UK is exploring the use of AI assistants and new AI tools to streamline its public sector.
They're aiming to enhance civil servant workflows and reduce bureaucracy.
Shifting gears to entertainment, the Oscar-contending film The Brutalist used AI to generate some Hungarian dialogue.
And to create budget-friendly visuals. This has sparked some debate online about AI's role in filmmaking.
Meanwhile, with all the uncertainty surrounding TikTok's future in the US, American tech giants are vying for their share of the pie.
Bluesky just launched a custom feed for short-form videos, and we're expecting a similar update from X soon.
The competition in the short-form video space is intense. And in another big development, Meta has developed a new AI model called Seamless M4T that can translate speech across over 100 languages.
It's reportedly 23% more accurate than the current top models.
A significant advancement in translation technology, for sure. Before we get to our curated list of AI tools, let's touch on some recent funding news in the AI sector.
ControlMonkey secured $7 million to further develop its platform for automating cloud infrastructure management using code.
And Rockfish raised $4 million in a seed round to support its work in helping enterprises leverage synthetic data.
Investors are clearly recognizing the huge potential of AI across various industries.
Now, are you ready to explore some amazing AI tools that you can start using today?
Absolutely. We've got a diverse selection showcasing how versatile AI tools have become.
First up is Frames by Runway, an AI image model offering enhanced realism and more control over the style of your images.
For our coding audience, we have Devin 1.2, Cognition's updated AI coding assistant.
And if you need to extract data from a web page, we have Extract.
For those on the go, there's Speller for iOS, an AI conversation companion and note-taker.
Next is Substrata, a tool using real-time human dynamics analysis to help you close more deals.
And when you need a motivational boost, there's Keep Going, which offers AI personalized motivation in the voice of your favorite entrepreneurs.
Now, if you've ever dreamt of building your own app but don't know how to code, check out Finado AI.
For mind mapping enthusiasts, we have MindMap AI.
And finally, Eververse leverages AI to help product teams collaborate more effectively.
The sheer variety of AI tools is really impressive.
From creative pursuits to business solutions, AI is touching every aspect of our lives.
This concludes our rapid-fire roundup of AI tools. What a selection.
It really gives you a sense of how rapidly the world of AI applications is expanding.
And it really is just a glimpse. There's so much more out there.
Well, that brings us to the end of another episode of AI Brief. We hope you found this deep dive into the world of AI informative and hopefully a little bit mind-blowing.
If you enjoyed the episode, be sure to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and colleagues. Let's spread the word about the incredible things happening in AI.
And join us next time as we continue to explore this fascinating, ever-evolving world. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve.